Hello YouTube. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to make mockups using placeit's generator. This is actually fairly simple and it'll be very beneficial for you and your print-on-demand business. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just letting you know beforehand, I actually have a full tutorial on my website dealbeast.com in writing, so if you prefer that, you can go there. Otherwise, stick around over here and I'll get to it all in this video. If you are leaving now, I'd love for you to like and subscribe now since you're going to be gone. And with that, let's get to our video. Okay, so anyone making a brand needs product images for their listing. Otherwise, they're just going to sell a t-shirt or a hoodie. What are they selling? Okay, so how do you do this? So the first way is you order your stuff in advance to a house or whatever, wherever you need it. And then you have models try it on, and then you take pictures of the models, professional pictures with your items fully printed, and you spend a lot of time, effort, and money getting this done, and it might not even be perfect. Especially if you want to make your own print-on-demand store with tons of designs, it's going to take a lot of effort and time and money. So you might not want to go this route. Luckily for you, there's one more way to do it. This way is a lot better. The second way you can do this is by making digital mockups. This is essentially possibly free, and you can make stunning photos within minutes with your designs on them without ever needing to even see your product in person. Yeah, this one does sound a lot better than the first one, and it's really that simple. That's basically the main idea of placeit's system. This is their main tool, and this is where you get most of your benefit, but they do have a lot of other features which are also very useful. Just this one is basically a no-brainer. This is the best feature that they have. And if you're really gonna use Placeit, it's probably for this purpose. You can always get another design tool, but finding digital mockups is not something that's so easy. Don't worry about them only having like t-shirts or hoodies. They actually have tons of items like mugs, notebooks, everything, leggings. They have a bunch of random items, so you'll have tons of mockups for almost any item you'd want to use. This is why it's a game changer for print on demand. Now you can make unlimited designs and make unlimited product listings for whatever you want, and you can get it done in 3 seconds, so it's really amazing. Then you can't do this if you don't have print on demand, since you actually need to get your inventory in person, so this is a definite advantage. Now, Placeit's not the only place you can get digital mockups. Printify actually has, and Printful. I'll link those down below, the free resources as well as Placeit's. And they actually have some free ones also. But those mockups are not really great. See, Printful has some okay ones, but you'll see them on almost any store. Like a lot of stores will start recognizing them in. And Printify's is not even close. Printify, for example, actually recommends that you use Placeit since they don't expect you to use their product images on your listing since they're just not that good. They want you to use your professional place so that you can actually make money, because if you go on a scam item listing, you see like a junk picture of a t-shirt, you're not going to buy that. You want to see it on a person, you want to see a nice picture, you want to see a good product. When's the last time you bought a product with a junk product image? Okay, so you might be wondering what it costs. So Placeit itself is $15 a month or $89 a year, which is really not a lot if you really think about it, since it is mind-blowing how much use you get out of them. Plus, they have a lot more features which I'll cover later in the video, and you'll really see it's amazing. Don't worry about not being able to try it out. First of all, you can look at all the things and see if you want to buy the actual subscription, since it'll say you can only download with a subscription, but you can look at the photos you'll be able to get. And as a bonus to that, there are actually some free mockups that you can actually use. I'll link those down below, all the free resources you can get with Placeit, and it'll actually let you download some images, and those are better than most of Printify and Printful's anyway, just the free ones, so it's definitely worth looking at. Placeit is actually really simple to use, and I'll show you right now on my computer how to do this, since I bet you guys all want to see a tutorial on this. So let's get down to all their things that they have. It's very useful, a lot of mock-ups, then they put all their designs on it, and as you can see, it's very cool. Alright, so let's check out their mockups. Okay, so here we are on Placeit's mockup generator. Now you can look up whatever you want specifically, but I'm just gonna give you a rough overview of it right now. Okay, so here you go. This would be like a design you put on. You can put whatever you want on the garment or the model image. Okay, so let's look at this. Right here we have this. See this guy? You can stick whatever image you want, like this. These are all example images. As you can see, very cool. They even have masks now, I guess. Wonder why. Alright, yeah, so this is how it works. Alright, let's click one specifically so you can get a good look at it. Alright, so let's say we hit this one. Okay, so as you can see, here we have this image, and it has a whole display out here. You can change the shirt color to whatever you want. So regardless of what you're going to do, you can make unlimited photos like that. Okay, so here it says upload an image. I can click this and go to my files, but I'm going to use this file I've already have downloaded instead. Here you go, upload design, and as you can see, little PR, little Deal Boost logo, looking good. Alright, so now I'm cropping this, and it should pop on. Alright, there you go, Deal Boost t-shirt. Now I can take a picture of this, and it looks as if I've already made this t-shirt. If you want to edit the design, the size, you can just do this, go to crop, make it smaller. Yeah, that's already gonna probably look better. There you go. Beautiful, stunning t-shirt. You can move it around, do whatever you want. Now, once you want to download it, you just click download over here, and it adds to your downloads. That's pretty much it. It'll process, and then you just click download from here. It doesn't download straight to your device. It only downloads once it loads here, and then you just click download here, and it will load on the bottom of your device. Now it's downloading. Okay. And this will show up in your downloads. You can see that later from your account if you would like, and that's pretty much that. Placeit even has a design tool for t-shirts, and it's actually pretty different from Canva's. Placeit actually has like fully made t-shirt designs ready, and you can change the text and the image if you'd like, but if you just want to fill up a bunch of designs, this is very useful. Alright, so we'll get to that also. Now I want to talk about their designs. So they actually have pre-made t-shirt designs and a lot of other designs you can use. Let's look at t-shirt designs. As you can see, we have a bunch of t-shirt designs over here. You can use all these on any image you want for any item, all your merch, whatever you would like. As in, you can stick this on a t-shirt and you'll be commercially fine. Now if you click one, you'll be able to edit it. You have a lot of options for you to change around the image. For example, let's say I want to change this sun. I can click one of these, and there you go. It's a little Earth. You got a little Saturn. You got whatever you want. Let's see. So the background you can change. You can make it transparent, which again a lot of you guys like doing, since this will be perfect for putting on t-shirts. And you can change the wording to whatever you want. So let's change this back just so you can see it, and we'll change it back later. And we can write, "What's good?" Alright, and as you can see, you get a beautiful t-shirt design, and you can download this whenever you want, like we did before, using the download button. There you go. It's that simple. It's processing above, and that's all you really need. Before I forget to mention this, the most important thing is that all these images, whether it be the t-shirt designs or the mock-ups, can be used commercially, which means you can use them on any professional thing. This includes their logos, their t-shirt designs, and their mock-ups, so you're getting a lot of value out of this. This is also for the free ones. Also, as a bonus, even if you get 1 month and then you stop using it, you'll be able to use your designs that you've already made, whether it be product images or logos, forever. Plus, you can even go back to the subscription before you go back to your product designs, and they'll let you download everything that you've already made, which means you can just go back with a free plan and just get all your paid subscription images. So this is actually amazing. If you want to do content creation like YouTube videos or intros or whatever you need for Instagram, they actually have a video editor, which is actually super easy to use, and it is really something that I actually use on a daily basis, so it's really cool. Okay, the last thing I really had to cover is their logo generator. This thing is amazing. I've actually created logos by myself using graphic design with a tablet, and it's good, but the Placeit makes logos that are basically as good, and it takes seconds. Like literally you look up and you have tons of options to choose. If I would have known about this before making other brand logos, I would have done this before. You guys know now, so get that full use out of it. So for some reason, they actually charge $40 a logo if you just buy a logo, but the subscription is $15 per month, and you can actually download unlimited logos with that, which you can use forever. So I don't really understand why they do it like this, but yeah, just do the subscription instead of that. Okay, so here is Placeit's logo generator. As you can see, they have you type your brand name. So let's say my brand. We're gonna stick with that. Still have it saved. Okay, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, it is making a ton of logos. I don't know why they're all themed like that, but whatever. And all of these look professional as heck. Like, they look really good. Look at these. They're seriously, like, this would be a professional logo. Honestly, I cannot do better myself, for sure. And I really would recommend this. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay. So let's say you want to change it. You have a very specific thing in mind. That, well, clothing brand is what we're talking about, but just for example for later, like finance. Yo, look at all that we got. That's nuts. Look at all these designs. Okay, that one might look like Harry Potter. But, yo, if you can make any of these, then you're doing well. Yeah, these are nice. Okay, and all of these can be used commercially. Alright, let's click on one just to check it out, the editor. Okay, you can download it in, again, transparent background if you'd like. Let's go back to here so we can show how to edit it. For a tagline here. My brand organization, this is sick. Okay, and you can change whatever logo you'd like. Right over here, you can change another one. Again, all of this is amazing. I'm blown away, honestly. So now, if you don't have a trial yet, if you don't actually have an account, it would cost $40 to download. But if you do, you can just download unlimited, and as you can see, I can just download this. So yeah, it's perfect. And again, you might want to have one with a background, without. This would cost you $40 each if you just bought the logo from them. And if you used a different company, it would probably also cost you like $20, and the logos would not be as nice. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. Alright, so to finish it all off, this is why I use Placeit for all my stores and all my other business things. And alright, so if you want to get all the links, they're all down below, whether it be the free resources. I'll even link down to Canva, because some of you guys want the Canva free trial. That's also down below. I'll link to the full tutorial I made online under my blog, and I'll give you all the other things you might need. If you like this video, I'd love for a like and a sub. And yeah, alright, have a good one.